Class, welcome to week 8. This is a great week in the course. We have one topic. It's meant to be a shortened week, excuse me, and that is for a couple different reasons. I know some of you are just coming off of midterms or perhaps are in the middle of a midterm for one of your other courses. It also so this gives you time, I hope, for some other responsibilities if necessary. It also gives you a chance to catch up on your business, anything you need to do to polish off that website or work out affiliate agreements, prepare a product, anything like that. So it's meant to be sort of a breather midway through the course, just a chance to take a half step back from that demanding schedule we have with 2 topics. This week we'll just have the 1 topic, and I hope that it will be a nice prep for the remainder of the course. Weeks 9 through 13 are quite involved and demanding. Week 14 is not. Our final week is designed to be somewhat simpler than others. So our 1 topic this week is ads and ad groups. I mentioned last week we're going to get much more into marketing now as the semester progresses. Last week you worked on your campaign and your keywords. This week you work on your ads. And this is, I'll reiterate, this is all introductory. Your campaign, your keywords, your ads. We are going to refine this as time goes on. So take your time to read through how an ad is approved, how you should write an ad, what the proper structure is. You can look through the Google Ads policies to see if it might affect your ad. This is all very helpful. There are a lot of policies and search engine regulation on some of these things, so it's good to know ahead of time how to write the ad and what it is. Then for your assignment, you will open a Word document and copy and paste the complete ad you wrote in the steps above. Please make sure you include the complete ad. That includes a headline, a secondary headline, a URL, a brief description. There are elements to a Google ad that need to be included in this document for full credit. And then explain 1 concept or principle from the reading. Write successful text ads that you incorporated in your ad. Ad writing is meant to be an iterative process. It is for top companies, it is for small companies. You have to take an ad and figure out what works, what resonates with your customer base. You also have to figure out what's successful from Google's standpoint, that's getting people to click on your link. And so when I say it's an iterative process, you want to write them over and over again, and this is just the introductory to that. We will rewrite ads later on in the semester, but I would encourage you to do it on your own. This is a habit you should create for your business, is to see what's working. What's working now may not be as effective in 6 months or 2 years. And so you want to really stay on top of this. You want to use that iterative process and say what's working, what's effective, and what's not. And this is just the beginning. Notice that the ad you'll copy and paste into your assignment is the one that you rewrote in the steps above, not one that you wrote. And so you want to get into this rhythm of writing and rewriting ads. I'll include one other thing before I wrap up this screencast, but when you write an ad, your potential customers, not your customers, right? You're advertising to those who may become a customer. They are assessing your integrity as a business from the first time they click on that link. And whether or not they will choose to purchase something from you or enter into a business relationship with you is in large part a subconscious assessment of your integrity as a business. Do they trust what you're saying you'll deliver? And the first chance you have to show your integrity as a company is whether or not you can deliver on what you advertise. So think about that. You want to make it appealing. You want to make it so that they'll click on the link, right? You need to sell your business well. But as you do that, make sure you can deliver on what you promise, because a customer is going to assess whether or not you can deliver, and that will play a huge part into whether or not they will purchase a product from you or engage in a business relationship with you. So you'll have your discussion board on that and your weekly reflection, and that'll be it. Again, a truncated week for you. Next week we'll dig a little bit deeper into our ads, which will be relevance and quality score, and we'll start on Google Analytics, which is very exciting. We'll describe Project 3 in detail as well. So next week will be exciting. This week focus on week 8. Let me know if I can help out with your ads and in that writing or rewriting process as you get started in that. Thanks, everyone.